In June 1982, a man who knew too much was found hanging from a bridge in London with bricks stuffed in his pockets. His name was Roberto Calvi. He was the chairman of Banco Ambrosiano, one of Italy's largest banks, and he was the Vatican's personal banker. But Calvi wasn't just moving church money. He was secretly funneling hundreds of millions of dollars through shell companies, laundering funds for the Sicilian mafia, and sitting inside a shadowy Masonic lodge tied to Italy's far right. He knew where every dollar came from and where it went. On June 17th, his body was found beneath Blackfriars Bridge, 10,000 pounds in cash still on him. That same morning, his secretary fell from a window in Rome. Italian police called it suicide. A second investigation called it murder. Decades of trials followed. Mafia bosses were named. Vatican officials were questioned. Nobody was ever convicted. The Vatican's financial records from that era remain sealed to this day. Whatever Calvi knew, he took it with him.